Unlocking polite requests using "Do you think you could?" Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we are going to focus on the intriguing world of polite requests. Specifically, we'll dive into the phrase, "Do you think you could?" This is a very useful and commonly used phrase in English, and mastering it can make your conversations smoother and more polite. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. When we say, "Do you think you could?" we are essentially asking someone if they believe they have the ability or the time to do something. This indirectness is a feature of polite requests in English. Imagine you need a favor from a friend. Instead of simply saying, "Help me with this," you could make it sound more polite and less demanding by saying, "Do you think you could help me with this?" Now that we understand the phrase, let's look at some examples to get a better grasp of its usage in different contexts. 1. In a professional setting, "Do you think you could review this report for me?" 2. Among friends, "Do you think you could lend me your car for the day?" 3. In a classroom, "Do you think you could explain this math problem to me?" Remember, the level of formality can be influenced by the words you choose to use after the phrase, "Do you think you could?" For instance, "Do you think you could possibly," adds an extra layer of politeness. After learning how to make polite requests, it's equally important to know how to respond to them. Generally, there are two possible responses. 1. Affirmative. "Yes, I could do that." Or, "Sure, no problem." 2. Negative. "I'm sorry, but I can't." Or, "I'm afraid I won't be able to do that." Note that even when refusing a request, it's polite to add an apology or an explanation. That's it, everyone. You now know how to make polite requests using the phrase, "Do you think you could?" and also how to respond to them. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to practice this new skill in your daily conversations. Remember, language is a tool to build bridges, not walls. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay curious.